to see history? We're barefoot.
I need to clip my toenails.
Gross, Jared. We've never been barefoot before in our house. And you know what the floor...
In this house.
Yes, this is our house.
In other houses we have.
This is the first time we've been barefoot in this house.
Yes.
And the floors, they feel really good. They feel nice and smooth. There's still some areas that they're not perfect, and they're not gonna be perfect, and we're just okay with that. We bought stain. Here's our arsenal of stain and poly. The store didn't have any more than that. I bought them out. We'll just get done what we can. They also didn't have the roller brushes that I wanted. So we're using just a flat brush for the stain and an even smaller brush for the poly. This is a 1,600 square foot house. It's gonna take a while.
I think it'll be better off than a roller because you'll be up close.
Yeah.
Personal with it.
Yeah. Nothing to it but to do it. Going with a red chestnut 232 Minwax. We really liked it on the trim that we refinished, so I'm hoping we like it on the floors because I bought like 5 cans of them. We're going for it.
Alright, go for it. It's not working. Oh, you gotta push, don't you? Wow.
That applies pretty well, but is that like too red? Why does that look so much more red than our...
Once you wipe it off, maybe. It'll dry different too.
Yeah, okay, I won't panic.
Don't panic.
I won't panic. I'm gonna be sick if I don't love these floors. Sick, I tell you. Okay.
I really lightened it up.
Yeah. Maybe I don't panic. I won't panic. Don't panic! Okay, I'll get more stain and then just keep on going.
Alright.
It's fine, everything's fine. Nice shot, babe. That could be our thumbnail.
My thumb showing again?
Oh, yeah, I don't know.
What?
I didn't even realize I was dripping. Ah!
Wipe it.
One can down. Got the room done.
Wow.
Bedroom number 2 is done. Done. There's 2 different types of light bulbs in each room. Look how different they both look. Now, time for the 3rd one. Got them all done. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms and the entire loft stained. Day 2 of staining. Jared's up here sealing.
No, this is the floor,
What?
not the ceiling.
You're an idiot. Putting on a nice coat of poly.
This is gonna take forever.
Well, it'll be done faster than you think. I don't love the color, but I don't hate it. It's just turning out different than what this looks for some reason. It's the same stain. I think what happened is I didn't stir the stain very well when we stained the trim. So I think what I'll do for downstairs is the same thing, just barely stir it and then apply it because I like the trim down here. I think it's a really pretty color. It might look different on camera. Oh gosh, it's so dusty. But I feel like the trim down here looks different than the floor upstairs, and I like the trim down here. The problem is I only have 1 quart of stain left, and we're doing like 1 quart a room. So we're gonna have to stop partway through and then go buy more stain. Got the kitchen stained. There's my stain. Trapped it in. How's Jared doing?
Oh, you know.
Ooh, look how shiny those floors are.
So shiny.
Wow. It won't be that shiny because it's still wet, but that just brought them to life, didn't it?
I'm filling the cracks.
That's good. There's lots of cracks in these floors.
And some of them are quite disgusting.
Yeah.
So fill them, seal that disgusting in.
Yeah. It's the next day. We have good news. We really like the floors. The sealer has dried, the poly. It needs a light sanding and another coat, but something about the sealer made us really love how it looks. So this is great. This is good news, Jared.
It is very good news.
But the bad news, you guys are gonna think that we're just a couple of idiots, which we are. Now we don't like the kitchen. This is the pine that's throughout the whole house, and the kitchen for some reason is maple, so it looks completely different.
Yeah.
So I think instead of not mixing it as much as what we did with this, we're gonna stick to mixing it like we should and put another coat on the kitchen and see if that helps maybe blend it in a little bit and make the floors look a little bit better. So today, we're gonna stain the downstairs.
She's dancing. I mean, she's happy.
Oh shoot, now I'm splattering. Oh, I hate myself. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
not allowed to be happy or make mistakes.
Well, make them. Then we can tell people that's where Marley was happy. Those were the days. Don't stain me in.
Stain the what?
Stain me in. Don't stain me in.
What are you talking about? I still don't know what you meant.
I said don't stain me in.
Don't stain me in.
My gosh.
I thought you kept saying don't stain the end.
Oh. I need some new ears.
Staining ourselves out of the house. Get down in there, little stain. Come on. Done.
Done.
Oh,
Now we may not enter.
my bad.
It's very rough.
Bumpy.
How much do I need to do? Not a whole lot, actually.
Yeah. That's just that little bit was good.
All right. I can do that.
Okay. Bye. Nearing the end of sealing the floors. Well, the first coat. We gotta do this all again. Down the hallway, into the kitchen, the living room, dining room, and we're gonna seal ourselves out again like we did yesterday when we were staining. I even got the stairs. I'll stain these later. We just wanted to get what we're walking on done. That's a priority.
You left the kitchen light on.
No!
Yes.
Ugh! The floors look a lot better with the sealer on. I think we'll be okay. I mean, they're gonna be a million times better than where we started.
Maybe a billion.
Jared said maybe a billion. Yeah, looking forward to the finished product. Still got a lot to do. After we're done with this section, we'll have to sand down here, and then the whole house will need one more coat of poly, so tired. All right, we'll see you next week.